everybody? It's Edge of Eternity, Bill Cameron, here tonight to show you something I picked up today. I've been welding this project. It's a decent sized weldment that's going to have to hold a heavy piece of equipment that might be coming into my shop here. So anyways, so welding away and all that. Been having a little trouble with my old Harbor Freight welding helmet. I've had that thing for, my goodness, years and years and years, and I think the batteries are finally stopping charging. They'll only recharge so many thousands of times, and I think I've maxed that out now because it was beginning to fail as far as coming on immediately when the arc flashes, and it would come on during the weld, on and off, and just goofing up like that. So I also have a Yes Welder helmet that's a really, really nice helmet, but it's just not operating properly. So I went out today and I picked up a Vulcan. Picked up this Vulcan helmet, okay, at Harbor Freight. Came packaged real nice. It's just a real glossy black, looks really nice. But a couple of features, like it's got a wider viewing area than your typical helmets. Now the Yes Welder helmet has this panel and a panel on each side, which is really nice, especially when it's working. But it hasn't been working. So I'm going to try this. I looked at a ton of videos, and people are really speaking highly of this. They call it the Arc Safe. And I don't know if you can see them in the video, but there are 1, 2, 3, 4 different sensors to sense the flash. And so hopefully that's going to be good. I'm going to install the battery now. That'll be my next step, and we'll see how it looks. It's supposed to have some nice controls in here and such, so we'll give it a look over once I get the battery in. Came with several extra view windows. Duh. Both the inside and the outside ones, which are nice. It came with this battery tray. The battery is not installed when it comes, so got this battery tray. It's a CR2450 battery. I believe that's the same battery that is used in the Yes Welder helmet, if I'm not mistaken. I just put 2 new ones in that today, and it didn't help it operate any better, so I thought, oh, you know what, I'd like to keep my eyes, and so I'm going to go and make a switch in my safety equipment and get me something different. And I know what people think about Harbor Freight stuff. I personally I haven't had any real bad experiences there. I haven't had any tools that have really failed on me. Within reason. I mean, sooner or later, everything gives out. I tend to buy their die grinders, and their die grinders last quite a while, and then they just stop. And, they'll start leaking or something like that. And so you know what you do? For $9.99, you go get another 2 or 3 of them, and then you're all set for a few more years. Okay, this is the helmet light. Arco told me to get this. If Arco tells me to get it, I get it. I mean, I don't want him getting mad at me. It is an LED. Comes with the charging cord. Comes with a warranty. And I can scan this, and if I scan this and register it, I get an extended 6 months on that warranty. I can mount this. It's got this 3M adhesive tape on the back. It looks almost like it's a 2-sided tape or two-way tape, I guess. I don't know. You can call it whatever you want and call me goofy. So this will go on top of the helmet, and this is, you got adjustment here, right? It's kind of got an articulating positioning so you can get the angle right. And this will go right here on the top of the helmet. This did not come with the helmet, in case you run out there and go to buy one of these. This came from Amazon. It's made by Green Ride. And like I said, real nice box. Nice little storage cutouts in here in the foam to keep it safe when not being used. I'll keep the cord in there for charging it. I don't know how fully charged it is at the moment. Okay, so let's see here. First try on. It fits over my head. And here's the light. Okay, so can't see it, but it lights up my hands pretty good. Hopefully it'll light up the area that I'm welding at. Like I said, it articulates up and down. Hold it for 3 seconds and it shuts off. All right. Time for a test drive.